simply notice that the alpha characters are left aligned and numeric values are right aligned. So it is a default setting. So why does it happen? It happens for a couple of reasons. First, it will give you a clear picture of your Excel sheet, like the alpha characters will be left aligned and numeric values are right. When we are putting our decimal values, it will also keep it aligned in a same line. Like if I am putting the decimal value 0.75, for example, I am showing it to you 25457525. Now you can see that all the decimals are in a same line. But if the numeric values are left aligned, like I'll show you, you can see the wavy pattern formed here. Next reason is that sometimes if you copy paste your data from some other spreadsheet or other document, this type of green triangle will appear at the corner of the cell, which is showing that it is wrong, something wrong happens in your Excel sheet. All the numeric values are left aligned because by default it has taken it as a text. So with the help of Control Z, I am coming back to my same original thing, and it will be, when it will be right aligned, it is a numeric value and it will give you a clear picture. Hope you all liked the video. I am Diksha. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the new video.